Shaking on the phone, red flagging by your side.